Bro, did you catch that Steelers game where they lost to the Washington football team?
Frustrating.
It's so bad. What is this?
Did we get a package? Did you order
We got
one?
a package from U-Haul extra large box. What is this?
Makes no
What
sense.
is this?
There a person?
What is this? What?
How did you get here?
Where are you from?
I'm Bill Checkles. I'm from Boise.
Boise,
I
Idaho?
don't have a car. I went to UPS.
You didn't have a
You
car.
shipped yourself.
So you went to UPS.
Yeah,
Why did you
got
ship?
Pop-Tarts.
You got Pop
Brought
Tarts.
us Pop-Tarts with it.
Why did you ship yourself here though?
Well, I wanted to hear about selling online, and I couldn't over there.
Oh, so you want to learn about selling online, and you couldn't do it in Boise, Idaho, because you didn't have a car. I'm guessing you didn't have internet. No, so you came to the 9 University headquarters.
Which was the right place.
Yeah, I mean it is the right place to learn about how to sell something online. It's just weird that you shipped yourself here. Like that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. But guys, all I'm trying to say is that like there are people that are willing to do everything in their life to change something, to make better, like do something better for their life, you know? Like they're willing to do everything, drop everything, and go and build something up. And what we're talking about here is selling products online in Amazon in particular. Now, Matt, tell me about how, like, people like you and me, right? What are the percentages of people like us that sell on Amazon?
Guys, of normal people like us and like Chuck here from Boise, 60% of those sales that are on Amazon are from third-party sellers like people like us.
So that means that anyone, literally anyone can sell on Amazon. And so what Chuck did here, he's smelling Pop-Tarts.
He saved it for, I guess, the best opportunity.
I guess he's got hungry now. But all I want to say, guys, is he took the opportunity to come to us and want to learn about Amazon and learning how to sell things online. And if you want to do the same thing, click the link below and you will have a free training from Amazon sellers telling you what you need to know, learning how to do it, what to do, and the right steps to take. All right, guys?
If this isn't for you, no big deal. That's fine. You can keep on moving, but we're giving you a huge opportunity to start 2021 off in the right foot, like Chuck here, and make as much money as possible selling online on Amazon. All right, guys. We'll see.
Chuck, what are you doing, bro?
This is not Boise.